Hi, my name is Sana Solanki and I work with iPro Realty Brokerage. And today I'm introducing a new project of bungalows and townhomes in the charming town of Stratford. As an agent working for buyers, I'm excited to bring you the latest and the best in Stratford real estate. This project or new development is called Poet and Perth, offers a variety of housing options from spacious bungalows to stylish townhomes. These homes are designed with functionality and comfort in mind, with modern finishes and quality construction that will stand the test of time. This project offers four types of homes: the Nest, which is back to back towns, the Haven, which is rear garage towns, the Abode, which are the smaller bungalow towns, and the Retreat, which is the larger bungalow towns.